In this video, we're gonna solve problems on finding the derivative of trigonometric functions. So let's get started. So let's say we have the first function. Let's say y equals sine squared 3x. Okay, y equals sine squared 3x. Take note that this y equals sine squared 3x is the same as y equals sine 3x raised to 2. And if that is the case, we have to use the chain rule. So what will we do here? So this becomes y prime equals, so you have to bring down 2, then times sine 3x, then 2 minus 1 is 1, so just sine 3x. Then we get the derivative of sine 3x. Also, we have another innermost function which is 3x, so you have to find also its derivative. That's 3x. Okay, therefore y prime equals 2 sine 3x times the derivative of sine is cosine, so that's cosine 3x times derivative of 3x is 3. And finally, the derivative of the given function is just 2 times 3, so 6 sine of 3x cosine 3x. Okay, so let's have another example. What if we have y equals cosine x squared? So y equals cosine x squared. In this one, the angle is just raised to 2. But in this one, the function is raised to 2. That's different. Okay? So to solve, we have y prime equals derivative of cosine is just negative sine x squared. And get the derivative of x squared. So we have y prime equals negative sine x squared, derivative of x squared, 2x. And therefore, our answer is 2x or negative 2x sine x squared. So that's the derivative of the given function. Okay, so how about we have this one? Say y equals tangent of sine x. Okay, in this part, the angle is the sine x. And the function that we're talking about here is the tangent function. So its derivative is y prime equals, the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So that's secant squared of sine x. Then we find the derivative of the inner function, sine x. And that is y prime equals secant squared of sine x. Derivative of sine x is cosine x. And so our final answer is y prime equals, we can put this cosine x here, or this is just the answer. But to avoid confusion, so we can put this one, cosine x times secant squared of sine x. So that's the derivative of the given function. Okay, and last one. Let's say we have y equals x squared cosine squared 3x. Okay, in this case, we're gonna use the product rule. This would be our u, this is our v. Okay, recall the product rule. What's a product rule? That is the derivative of the truth that the product of two functions u and v is just the derivative of u, v prime, times v plus u times the derivative of v. Okay, so that's it. So therefore, following the product rule, that's y prime equals the derivative of x squared, that's 2x times cosine squared 3x plus x squared times the derivative of cosine squared 3x. And following the previous example, so this use chain rule. So bring down 2 cosine 3x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's cosine 3x times the derivative of cosine 3x, that's negative sine 3x times the derivative of 3x, that's 3. Okay? And that is y prime equals 2x cosine squared 3x, that's positive x squared times negative sine 3x times 3, then times 2, that's negative 6x squared, right? Cosine 3x sine 3x. So this is the derivative of the given function, 2x cosine squared 3x minus 6x squared cosine 3x sine 3x.